Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn off Face ID and GCash. To turn off Face ID and GCash, start by opening your app and navigating to your profile in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Settings and look for Authentication Methods or Password and Security. Face ID or Biometric Logins is enabled. You see an option labeled Face ID or Biometric Login. Simply toggle it off to disable this feature. Once disabled, GCash will prompt you for your MPIN for all logins and transactions instead of using biometrics. Make sure to double check that the toggle is fully switched off before exiting. Confirm the changes, exit the settings, and reopen GCash to ensure the Face ID has been successfully turned off. This way, your account remains secure while giving you full control over how you log in and approve payments. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.